In a world where billions strive for a better tomorrow, where hope flickers amidst challenges, there's a beacon of light guiding us towards a brighter future. Poverty, a silent predator, robs millions of their dreams. Over 700 million people worldwide live in extreme poverty, struggling to meet their basic needs. Inequality, a barrier to progress, widens the gap between the haves and the have-nots. The top 1% of the world's population holds more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. Climate change, an existential threat, ravages our planet. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events disrupt lives and livelihoods. Hunger, a silent epidemic, gnaws at the fabric of society. Despite there being enough food to feed everyone, millions go to bed hungry every night. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. A global movement has emerged, fueled by a shared vision of a sustainable future for everyone. In 2015, 193 countries have pledged to the Sustainable Development Goals, a global initiative adopted by all United Nations member states. Imagine a future where every saved rand fuels economic prosperity, creates opportunities, and fosters inclusive growth. Imagine a future where no one is left behind. Together, we can build a world where everyone thrives. Join us on this journey towards a brighter tomorrow, investing with confidence in a future we need.